What if I told you that for just $1, you could unlock 10 complete digital products with full reseller rights, keep 100% of the profits, and even use them to build your email list starting today? Sounds crazy, right? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how this works. My quick verdict: $1 bonus bundle is a total no brainer. For the price of a coffee, you're getting reseller rights to 10 proven bestsellers, guaranteed approval to promote them, and the chance to build a business instantly. This is perfect for beginners who are tired of overhyped $997 courses and just want something that works. So here's what $1 bonus bundle is all about. You pay just $1 and instantly unlock 10 of Dawud Islam's best-selling products. You get 100% reseller rights, which means you can sell them as your own, give them away as bonuses, or use them to grow your email list. And the best part? You're guaranteed approval to promote. No struggling with vendor denials. When you log into the dashboard, everything is neatly laid out. You'll see all 10 products listed with your guaranteed affiliate links. Each comes with full sales pages and marketing materials, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. Simply grab your link, share it, and you keep all the profits. You can also use these products as lead magnets. Just plug them into your funnel builder or autoresponder, and you're building a list on autopilot.
Have you